Hey, how's it going, guys? I'll be at Ala Moana Beach, Oahu, Dragon Boat Festival today. Just cruising with Jay. Just came from friend Kathy's house. Got TV in the house. But you'll be able to see the dragon boats a little bit further down. Ala Moana Beach. All the cops busy today, writing all the tickets. Everybody partying, picnics. This is one of the busiest times I've ever seen this place. Yeah, this is one of the busiest I've ever seen this place, man. Where is it? Oh. I'll be able to see the dragon boats pretty soon, unless they already went down. Oh yeah, they probably already went down. That's all the dragon boats right there.